major tech giants, Apple and Samsung, both missed the bus in successfully integrating an under-display fingerprint sensor this year. This is the reason why we have such an awkwardly placed fingerprint sensor on the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy Note 8, and possibly why Apple ditched it altogether. Well, because there's no excuse for poor design in Jony Ive's books. However, this could all change next year, as we're already hearing plenty of rumors that 2018 flagship phones will sport an under-display fingerprint sensor, the latest of which points to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Another report tips some of the features of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Ming-Chi Kuo, an analyst with KGI Securities, is doing what he does best once again and has now stated that Samsung's next Note flagship may have such an under-display optical fingerprint technology when it launches in the second half of 2018. This was also reported back in August this year through another report from KGI Securities. With smartphones slowly ditching bezels altogether, this would be the ideal solution if manufacturers were to continue using fingerprint sensors for authentication. However, it appears to be a little more trickier to implement than it seems, and companies have been trying to take a crack at this for a while now, in the hopes to achieve a formula that the industry adopts. Last May, LG developed a fingerprint sensor that sits under the display, and this year,